Good morning. Today I just wanted to talk about the poor air quality lately that we've all been experiencing with these wildfires in Canada. One thing we all should be thinking about is changing our car cabin filters. Dirty cabin filters negatively impact our air quality by letting in contaminants in the cabin of our vehicles. It impacts our breathing, it impacts the smell, and it reduces the airflow coming through our vents. Visit us today at williamshondaofElmira.com or call 607-767-6558 to have your cabin filter inspected and replaced today.